while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Madness. Today I brought to you the second anti-aging face mask for younger looking skin, remove wrinkles and fine lines easily. By using a simple ingredients that you always have in your kitchen. You just need 1 egg, Vaseline, here I'm using about 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Mix them well.
See you on the other side. Stay alive. Stay alive. I've got to keep it together.
Apply this mixture on your clean face. Egg whites are rich in protein and albumin that have skin toning properties and promote wrinkles-free skin. They are especially good for oily skin and hair since they help tightening large pores.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold.
Then wash it off with only water.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.
Apply this mask twice a week or thrice for getting best results.
Hold tight, hold tight.
Here our video ends for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press like and let me know what you wanna see next in a comment below. Subscribe if you don't miss out. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye bye.